This tutorial will show you how to clear RAM on iPhone online completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to clear RAM on your iPhone is to go under to settings. Then as we can see here, we want to scroll up. Under the search, we want to type this in because this is going to help us clear our RAM on our iPhone. Assistive touch. Here where it says assistive touch under accessibility, click on this. And basically you want to scroll down and then you want to scroll up until you see assistive touch. In this case, mine is currently turned on. You want to turn it on by tapping right here on the top right hand screen. Basically the circle icon, as you can see, is the assistive touch icon. You want to click on it, click on device to the right, you want to click on more. See, we have different options right here. In this case, we want to click back. Basically what we're going to do is it's like holding down the lock icon, hold down the lock screen on the top left hand screen. It'll basically activate you to power off, but we're not going to power off. We can click the assistive touch icon right here. You can hold down home for 2 seconds on the bottom right hand screen. And as you can see, we're now on the home screen and basically cleared our RAM completely free. Another option is to download this application right here called Memory Clean. Basically, you can find other applications on the App Store. This is my favorite in my opinion. You can just simply this icon here and then it's going to clean our iPhone, or it's going to clear the RAM. See, this is the available memory, cache, used, etc. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.